The Instant Pot has become a household staple, streamlining kitchens and mealtimes. But with so many models on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video dives deep into 5 top contenders for 2024, putting them through the paces and offering insights gleaned from expert reviews and user experiences. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus. This versatile champion reigns supreme for many reasons. Dubbed the workhorse by reviewers on Source for Instant Pot Duo Plus review, it boasts a user-friendly interface and 9-in-1 functionality. The Duo Plus tackles pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, warming, and even sterilizing. Experience. Owners rave about its intuitive controls and the ability to brown ingredients directly in the pot before pressure cooking. The 8-quart capacity caters to families or those who love batch cooking. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo. The OG of the Instant Pot family, the Duo offers a simpler yet effective solution. This 7-in-1 appliance focuses on the core functions: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and warming. Experience. Praised for its affordability and ease of use, the Duo is perfect for beginners or those who want a straightforward approach to pressure cooking. With 3 size options, 3-quart, 6-quart, and 8-quart, it easily fits various kitchen counter spaces. Number 3. Instant Pot Rio Wide. This newcomer to the scene takes pressure cooking to wider horizons. The Rio Wide boasts a spacious 10-quart capacity, ideal for large families or preparing party-sized dishes. It features the same 7-in-1 functionality as the Duo but with a wider inner pot, making it suitable for simmering larger cuts of meat or preparing one-pot meals. Experience. Early reviews on Source for Instant Pot Rio Wide review highlight the benefit of the wider pot for slow braising in stews. However, some users note that the larger size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. This innovative option combines the functionalities of a pressure cooker with the convenience of an air fryer. The Duo Crisp features a detachable inner pot and a separate air fryer lid, allowing you to pressure cook a delicious stew and then crisp it to perfection in the same pot. Experience. Users love the versatility this model offers. Switching between pressure cooking and air frying eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving both counter space and cleanup time. However, some reviewers mention that the air fryer function might be less powerful than dedicated air fryer models. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Plus. Catering to tech-savvy cooks, the Pro Plus is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart appliance. This 10-in-1 powerhouse boasts all the features of the Duo Plus with the added benefit of remote monitoring and control through a smartphone app. Experience. Users enjoy the convenience of being able to monitor the cooking process and adjust settings remotely. Foodies appreciate the added sous vide function, allowing for precise temperature control for perfectly cooked meats. However, the Pro Plus comes with a steeper price tag compared to other models.